Hello, how you doing? And welcome to How to Cook Great. If you like what you're seeing, please do subscribe and also leave us a comment. Okay, let's get moving. Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this beautiful, very simple, chunky salsa. I mean, it's really simple. So I'm going to be cooking my peppers. As you can see, I've got 3 different colors in there in the air fryer. You can roast them in the oven if you want, but this is much quicker. A little bit of onion in there. I'm using a white onion, and don't be shy with the olive oil. We're going to be adding more as well. Nice bit of olive oil in there, beautiful. Also, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. So what we're going to do is we're going to get those peppers in for 15 minutes at 180. That's on my air fryer. And by the way, I'd like you to eyeball everything on this recipe. You can really kind of muck around it and get it exactly how you want. So once they come out and cool down a little bit, we're going to chop them on my chopping board here. But keep them fairly chunky. Do you know what I mean? I don't want it to be a complete sort of puree. Then simply we're going to get them into a bowl and we're going to add a few more ingredients. A little bit more salt, some black pepper. And like I say, please eyeball all of this to suit yourself. I'm going to put in some hot pepper sauce. You could be putting in some chili powder maybe if you wanted, or some fresh chili, but I'm just going to go for a little bit of chili sauce. About a cup here of more white onion, about a cup of chopped pickle, you know, like a kind of jar of vinegared pickle in there, about a cup of tomatoes. If you want, you could be getting in some cucumber or something like that maybe as well. Another nice glug or 2 of some nice quality olive oil, a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice, a big handful of cilantro or coriander, whatever you guys call that. Give that a mix and you've got yourself an absolutely beautiful little salsa. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love.